What's up, you guys? Today we're coming to you from Utah. We're going to talk to you about the 3 reasons why I knew I'd be rich in high school and how you can implement those 3 things in your life no matter where you are. Back in high school, I was totally clueless as to anything that was going on. I was an immigrant from Germany. My parents didn't know the school systems. I didn't know what the SATs were until 11th grade. I had no clue what I was going to be, no clue what I was going to do. I tried a bunch of different things, volunteering, police explorers, debate. I didn't put as much effort into really anything that I should have, other than RuneScape and a combination of Halo and World of Warcraft, which video games are not a great way to set yourself up for success in the future. So don't worry, that's not step 1. That's like step -1. What the heck? Who put this here? See, the other thing is I was pretty much also almost a truant. Like, I never went, and the school resource officer, you know how the schools have the cops, they're always like, Kevin, if you miss school one more time, I got the one more time lecture like 17 times. Needless to say, I didn't know life then, and I'm still trying to figure it out. But there are 3 things that really gave me the confidence that I knew I'd be okay, and I think you can implement those too. I think they're gonna be awesome. Jeez, this is less slippery than that. What world do we live in? The very first thing that really helped me a lot was, and I remember this clearly, I was at Yale for a debate tournament. There was this girl sitting on the steps on our debate team, and I went over to her and I said, well, why do you look so stressed? Like, what's wrong? Because, you know, usually when I'm out and about, I'm just like, whatever, like nothing can go wrong, doesn't matter what's going on or who's being mean to you. And the girl said, I'm really stressed, I'm a sophomore now, I really want to make sure I get a corporate job, and I want to be a CR, I want to do this, so much panic. And I told her, don't worry, and this is where number 1 comes in. You're gonna make it. As long as you believe that you're gonna make it, and that everything's gonna be okay, you're gonna find the way. I remember telling her this story that I could start at Walmart, and I have the confidence that I could start bagging groceries and slowly work my way up to cashier, then store manager, then regional manager, then get transferred over into the corporate office, and just keep working, because I knew no matter what, once I set my mind to something, if I thought I found my path, I would work my ass off until I got to the top, or to the best place I could possibly get to until I get fired, or I'm at the top. Second thing that was really important was I studied finance. That sounds really dumb, but for some reason I got excited, and you don't have to exactly do this, but for some reason I got excited by downloading stock reports and sort of reading about companies and understanding companies. I had this fascination with business and making money, so I don't like being that really analytical person that has to figure out formulas and calculations for everything. What I like doing, and I do the same thing in real estate, and honestly that's exactly what I teach in the real estate investing course, is understanding the principles, the fundamentals of how to make money investing or in business. I mean, think about it this way. If you know how to make money in real estate in one location, then you know how to make money somewhere else in real estate. And that's what I try to teach. People ask me, they're like, oh, well, I'm an investor in the UK or in Japan. Can your course help me? Yeah, and in fact, 30% of our course members are international, but that's also now why I'm here and traveling to see how can we find deals in areas throughout the country or the world to help you analyze those. And the same thing is true in life. If you can understand the concepts of finance, if you understand compound interest, like how to turn $1 into $40, you know, you see those videos all the time, but if you actually understand those concepts and you believe in them, then you get this sort of confidence that, well, come on, I'm 18 years old, compound interest is my best friend at this time. I'm 16, I'm 25, I'm 30, it doesn't matter. Compound interest is your friend. You could really do no wrong as long as you start. And so many of us don't start. So that's really where, and maybe it was a stupid confidence, but what I did when I was 16, 17, and then I turned 18, was I started saving money, and then I threw some money into, I just could have been stupid. I just bought Apple stock. I just bought something. It didn't matter if I doubled my money or I lost half of my money. The concept to me became, I'm putting my money somewhere. I believe in finance. I believe in compound interest. I believe in the overall economy's ideal growth. And so that number 2, that having a little bit of belief in finance and interest in finance, was huge. now that I got some warmth, let me tell you point number 3 and then get back into the warm environment because this is ridiculous. Okay, the very last thing, and ugh, what is this? These are like, I'm underwater. The very last thing that it was so big for me was once you believe that it's gonna work out and you have the finance knowledge, because look, you could be the best plumber in the world, but if you don't know finance, you'll never invest and you'll never get it. You could be the best doctor in the world, making 500 grand a year doing neurosurgery or something crazy, and if you don't know finance, you'll spend it all and you'll lose it all. No way, oh, there's a beaver. I've never seen a beaver before. When you believe it, you know finance, and 3, when you find that path, you give it your all. You wake up if you have to at 5:30 in the morning. You stay up late. You sleep 4 hours a night. Whatever it is you have to do. You drink coffee, you drink Monsters, you do whatever it takes. Just like the song. You'll make it. Because those 3 things combined, the belief that it's gonna work, the finance knowledge that no matter what it is you do, you'll be able to succeed with the money. So succeed yourself, succeed with the money, and then when you find the course, or at least the one that seems most desirable, you hop on it with everything you got. You will be rich no matter what. Because if you just do the math, the same future value math that we teach in the real estate course, it's impossible for you not to be rich. And if you know that, in high school, or right after high school, or sooner, as close to high school as possible, you'll be fine. I'm getting in the car, so see you later. Like, subscribe, buy the course. You know the plug. Bye. Sorry, forgot you. I'm not used to somebody holding a camera. This is what I'm used to. What's up, you guys? It's me, Kevin. Like and subscribe. Oh, fun tip for the end of the video, make sure to buy vinyl plank flooring, never buy laminate anymore. It's out, it sucks, it ain't scratch proof, and it ain't water resistant. Water sucks.